functional equations. So these are somewhat similar to value of a function models only. So they will give you some setup and some values. Based upon that, sometimes we need to identify f of x or a particular value and all those things. So we will see one by one. Question is 2 times of f of x minus f of 1 by x is equals to x plus 1 by x. Then the value of f of x there. So here nothing was given other than the equation. So no f of 1, no f of 0, no f of 2, nothing was given here. So here this particular case, if you observe, 2 times of f of x minus f of 1 by x, there is a particular type of equation, so which can be considered as the most standard type. If you have an equation a times of f of x, either plus or minus some b times of f of 1 by x, that means f of x and its reciprocal, x reciprocal 1 by x is appearing. So if you have such function, this equals to whatever it may be the result, equals to some function will be there. So then to solve this, replace x with 1 by x in the question. Okay. So this is the best technique to solve this problem. So whenever if you have the pattern a times of f of x, either plus or minus b times of f of 1 by x equals to something was given, then the easy way to solve the problem is replace x with 1 by x. So around 4 or 5 times a question based upon this appeared in JEE Mains. So we will check this one. See, first we will consider 2 times of f of x minus f of 1 by x equals to x plus 1 by x. We will take it as some equation 1. Now change x as 1 by x. So then how it looks? See, 2 times of f of 1 by x minus f of 1 by x means f of x equals to, here x becomes 1 by x and 1 by x becomes x because we are replacing x with 1 by x. Now I want to take this one as equation 2. Now it is clear, see, we want f of x, that means we need to solve these simultaneous equations. Here we don't want f of 1 by x. Now aim is to eliminate this one. To eliminate this one, I want to multiply equation 1 with 2. If you multiply equation 1 with 2, then it becomes 4 times of f of x minus 2 times of f of 1 by x equals to, here we will get 2x plus 2 by x. Second equation, I just want to write as it is. First f of x term will write, so we can write it as minus f of x plus 2 times of this term, that is 2 times of f of 1 by x equals to x plus 1 by x. Now we will go for addition of these two. When you add both of these two, 4 minus 1 will get 3 times of f of x. These two gets cancelled, equals to 2x plus x is 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 by x is 3 by x. So both the sides we can eliminate 3. Then finally we are getting f of x is equals to x plus 1 by x. This is your solution. Students, so many times this question, so means values they will change in JEE Mains and advanced also it appeared. So sometimes they are asking f of x and sometimes they will ask f of 2 or the range of the function or derivative of the function or domain of the function. Different things they can frame with the help of this. So most standard, but this is the property. So if you apply this property, solving this one is easy, and you can identify easily also. If you have a pattern, some constant into f of x, either plus or minus, constant into reciprocal is there, then the best method to solve the problem is change x as 1 by x. Okay students, now we will see some standard functional equations like what we saw just now. You take a heading, standard functional equations and proper substitutions. Standard functional equations and proper substitutions. First one, f of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy is equals to f of x minus y. If such structure is there, so then f of x can be taken as k into tan inverse x as x to the power of n. Next, one more. F of x in plus, I will take plus f of 1 by x is equals to, the case is different, f of x into f of 1 by x. The example what we studied is f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to some variables in terms of x, but here again functions are coming, means the best choice for this one is f of x equals to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. Either plus we need to take or minus, that depends upon the data availability of the question, we can make a choice over there. So, most important property, the proof not required for us, it takes almost 1 hour to prove this one. So, that is why I am not going for the proof. I suggest you to remember, otherwise it takes so much of time by verifying with the values. The pattern is easy, f of x plus f of 1 by x, function plus its reciprocal is, and other side we need to have the product of those two. Here sum and here product is there, means f of x is equals to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n will be the best choice.